tip and treat foraging. Here I put a few pony beads into the treat dispenser so that she doesn't always get a treat when she tips it. She sees me, so she's looking at me instead of playing. Let's move back a little. I know you want to greet me, but you've been out all day. It's time to wind down now. She tries to do it the hard way with her feet, but really all she needs to do is move it with her beak. Also in Alsing's cage, I have a dish of pellets, some water, a dish of dehydrated veggies, some toys, a cuddle bone. Here is a balsa wood block, and I cut some holes in it and put some treats into it, and she loves that. So you can see all those little marks is her chewing it all up. I only put the holes into it. I've got a mat so she can climb and chew on that, and a toy, another seagrass mat toy, a little hammock, and some more balsa wood. She loves chewing on it, as you can see. I've got some cotton rope perches, but I'm going to change them to sisal rope soon because it is more bird friendly. I've got a birdie bobble ball, but I think it's a little too big for her species. But anyways, I've also got a foraging dish down below with seeds and treats. And these are her seeds down below with some pellets. And then up here, I have a foraging dish, which I kind of covered with some little mini muffin paper, so she has to throw that all out to get to her dehydrated veggies, her treats, and there she is. Hello! Every time I'm next to the cage, she wants to greet me because she loves me. She's such a lovable bird. Hi! Well, I'm sorry for torturing you, but you were out for at least 5 hours today, if not longer. Yeah. And, yeah, this is her cage setup right now. I've got a lot more toys that I change every so often, so she doesn't get bored. Oh, and this is a cactus wood perch, and it is amazing for birds, I find. She'll chew on this even if there is nothing in the holes, but I stuff little pellets in there and she goes and eats them. I only recently stuffed this because she usually has them all gone within 10 minutes. Isn't that right, Alsing? Say goodbye. Well, she can't talk, but her eyes are telling us that she's saying goodbye. Wings! Wings! Show us your wings! Wings! Good girl! Alright, see you later, everybody.